to Motorhead UK. I'm here with Cole. Apparently he's picked up one of the cheapest GT86 going.
Yeah, it only cost £6,750.
Is that with lights or not?
Yeah, it did come with a few lights on the dashboard, but we did figure out why when we were driving it home. We had to stop because it did break down.
Yeah, and it started to whistle at you.
It did whistle at me, but that's because, well, we've been told it's because of an aluminium single piece prop shaft, and the final gearing has been changed.
Yep.
So that does make it whistle apparently, but
there was a couple of issues we don't know about as well.
Yeah, there is a couple of issues, but we'll show you a video of the car now, and then we're going to talk to you in a minute of actually what happened after we got it back from Toyota. So stay tuned. I hope you like the car. Welcome back to Motorhead UK. We're going to finally reveal the new car. It's Lane Treasure. Another Toyota GT86, and guess what, guys? It's another Japanese car, as we love the Japanese cars. We've got same Suzuki over there. We've got my Toyota GT86, and we do have another Toyota GT86 that we've already done. Most people know that one, so we're not going to show you that one today, but we will get them together one day and we'll show you them. And we'll take them out for a drive and show you some bits and bobs. But we're going to walk you around this one that's got a few issues. It's got mainly, the first issue is the recall, because it's a 2012 model or 2013 model by the numplate, but you know, same thing. It's still got a recall. We've got a friend on board that we'd love to show you. Yeah, yeah. It's very dirty, but GK Motors, I've supplied some cleaning kits, so we're going to actually sort you out with some demonstrations how to clean the car, as it's probably not been cleaned in a few years. As you can see, all the green algae and mould around everything, so we've got all that. We've also got custom headlights that we're going to make, so we're going to show you how to make custom headlights. We're going to do some custom fog lights as well. And we've already put the sun strip on there, but we'll do a video on that one, so that's all done already, because we thought we'd put that on there and show you after. We've got some damage on the wheels, but we don't know if we're going to change the wheels. We've got some air suspension that we're probably going to buy used, but we're going to show you how to put that on, because I've already done it once already. It's quite an easy job to do. It is a pain in the arse because you have to drill some bolts out and cut some bolts, and yeah, but it's quite an easy job, to be fair. And we might do a new boot build where we're up for ideas. We don't know whether to do like a Scale Electric set, a Hot Wheels set, or I don't know really. I don't know what we're going to go for with this one. So, or do we go super clean, some floorboards, and that's about it really. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to go and take this down to Toyota in Chelsea and get the recall done for it. So we just dropped the Toyota GT86 off at Toyota Stevenage in Chelmsford. They're doing a full recall, get the clutch, everything done, so hopefully it all works. So we're going to go home now and chill. So we just got the car back from Toyota. They done the recall, done a full service, we had the clutch done, we had the flywheel done, and then we had a phone call from Adam that told us that the air conditioning wasn't working. And then he rang me back a couple of hours later and said they diagnosed it as there was a couple of sensors, so we had to get that all done. So not really an issue, all done. And then being a super engine.
Oh, sorry, I'm part of this.
Yeah, you are part of this. What happened with the super engine?
Just a normal boxer engine, really, isn't it?
And what was that? As you know, I've had a couple that have had the same sort of issues. Can you tell them what happened?
No.
Should we show them?
Yes.
Right, we're going to show you what happened. So, watch the next video. So the new 86 is steaming. We don't know if it's water or oil, but it did smell a lot of oil just a minute ago. So hopefully it's just water coming from it, but it's just had its recall done. So hopefully it's nothing major, big problem on it, but the engine was smoking and there was a bad smell of oil. So well, hopefully it's not too bad, but we're just going to have a look over it in a second. And we were driving it and it started smoking, and by the looks of it there's some liquid on top of the engine, and we took like a little bit of tissue and put it down there and it's blue, so we're thinking that it could be coolant where the engine hasn't been sealed properly. We're hoping it's going to be a quick easy fix, but yeah, as you can see it's actually all over the engine bay, I've just realised. So yeah, it's been leaking a while, I'm guessing. So as you saw by the videos, we handed the car back and hopefully they can sort the issue out and it's not too serious. And as soon as we know, we'll get the videos done for you and then we'll give you an up-to-date, and hopefully we can go from there and get this build finally started. And
I've got issues with Azuki.
yeah, his is at Danbury's Auto Electricians, and hopefully that will be fixed because that was a few wires that weren't touching or grounding properly.
And that's been since December I've had that. So
yeah, and finally we found the issue with it not working, so that will
hopefully
get done. Also, we've got the dog show on the 1st of April, so we're doing a car shows thing at there, and all our cars will be on show, so you can come and say hi to us and you get to know us.
Yeah.
So see you soon, guys.
See you later.